Hey everyone, welcome back to the Honest Review Hub channel. Today we're diving into the world of mini PCs, those tiny powerhouses that prove size isn't everything. Whether you're looking for a compact workhorse for your desk setup, a sleek media center for your living room, or even a discreet powerhouse for some light gaming, we've got you covered. We're going to break down the top contenders for the best mini PCs of 2024, so grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's get right into it. As usual, links to all these products will be in the description below. First up, we're kicking things off with a name synonymous with mini PC innovation. Intel with their NUC 12 Pro Kit. Now, this is for those of you who demand top-tier performance in a package that's small enough to practically disappear on your desk. We're talking 12th Gen Intel Core processors here, people. You can configure this beast with up to a Core i7, which absolutely chews through demanding tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and even some pretty intense multitasking. And if you're a content creator or someone who needs to handle graphically demanding applications, don't worry, the Intel Iris Xe graphics have got you covered. Need to connect multiple 4K displays? No problem. Want super fast Thunderbolt 4 connectivity for lightning-fast data transfer? You got it. This little guy is packed with ports, making it an absolute dream for productivity. Despite its power, the NUC 12 Pro Kit maintains a surprisingly small footprint. You're getting desktop-level performance without sacrificing precious workspace. Next up, we're stepping into the world of Apple with the Mac Mini M2. If you're already living that Apple life using iPhones, iPads, and an Apple Watch, the Mac Mini M2 slots right into that ecosystem. This Mac Mini packs a punch with Apple's impressive M2 chip. Whether you're editing photos, making presentations, or browsing the web, the Mac Mini M2 handles it all with Apple Fluidity. The M2 chip's media engine is a game changer for video editing. AirDrop files seamlessly between your iPhone and the Mini, answer calls directly from your Mac, even unlock your computer with your Apple Watch. It's that tight integration that Apple is known for, a stylish addition to any workspace. Now, if you're someone who likes to tinker, customize, and truly make a device your own, then let me introduce you to the Asus PM50. This mini PC is all about flexibility, giving you the freedom to choose the components that best suit your needs and budget. Unlike some of the other pre-configured options on our list, the Asus PM50 lets you choose your processor, RAM, and storage options. You can go for a more affordable build with an AMD Ryzen 3 processor for everyday tasks, or crank things up with a powerful Ryzen 7 for more demanding workloads. The Asus PM50 also boasts a wide range of ports, giving you the flexibility to connect all your peripherals with ease. Need to hook up multiple displays? No problem. Want to add an external hard drive for extra storage? Easy peasy. The Asus PM50 maintains a compact, modern design that won't clutter your workspace. Moving on, let's talk about a mini PC designed specifically for the professionals out there, the HP Elite Slice. Now, this is for those who demand both style and substance, a machine that looks as good in the boardroom as it performs in the office. The first thing you'll notice about the HP Elite Slice is its unique modular design. It's like a stackable system where you can add components as needed. Need a fingerprint reader for added security? Just snap it on. Want a conference speakerphone module for those important meetings? Easy. This modularity makes the Elite Slice incredibly adaptable to your specific workflow. It's packing powerful Intel processors, plenty of RAM and fast storage options, ensuring it can handle even the most demanding tasks you throw at it. And because this is a business-oriented machine, HP has gone above and beyond when it comes to security. So if you're looking for a mini PC that seamlessly blends into your professional life, offering power, security, and a touch of elegance, the HP Elite Slice deserves a serious look. Now, for those of you who prioritize energy efficiency and a truly minimalist setup, let me introduce you to the Lenovo ThinkCentre M90M. This tiny titan is designed for those who want maximum performance with a minimal environmental footprint. One of the standout features of the ThinkCentre M90M is its incredibly low power consumption. Lenovo has engineered this machine to sip power, making it ideal for businesses looking to reduce their energy bills or individuals who want to minimize their impact on the environment. It's equipped with Intel processors, fast storage options, and plenty of RAM to handle everyday tasks with ease. It's small enough to tuck away behind your monitor, mount to the back of your display using VESA mounts, or even hide discreetly under your desk. So, if you're looking for a mini PC that's easy on your wallet, kind to the planet, and doesn't skimp on performance, the Lenovo ThinkCentre M90N is a fantastic option. Let's talk about the Dell Optiplex 7090 Ultra, a mini PC that redefines future-proofing. If you love upgrading your setup, this one's for you. Its longevity lies in its modular design. Upgrade each part independently. Need more power? Swap the CPU. Want a better webcam? Replace the module. You're not locked into one configuration. Upgrade piece by piece as technology advances. The core unit is concealed within the display stand. The Dell Optiplex 7090 Ultra is a game changer. Last but not least, let's talk about the MSI QB5, a mini PC that proves you don't need to break the bank for solid performance. Now this one's for those who are budget conscious but still want a capable machine that can handle everyday tasks with ease. Don't let the affordable price tag fool you. The MSI QB5 packs a punch. It's equipped with Intel processors, ample RAM and fast storage options, ensuring you can breeze through everyday tasks like browsing the web, checking emails, streaming content, and working on documents without any lag or stutter. The QB5 comes with a variety of ports, including USB Type-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort, giving you the flexibility to connect all your peripherals without any hassle. The QB5 is incredibly small, easily fitting on even the most cramped desks or tucking away discreetly behind your monitor. So, if you're looking for an affordable, no-frills mini PC that delivers solid performance for everyday tasks, the MSI QB5 is an excellent choice. And there you have it, folks. Those are our top picks for the best mini PCs of 2024. From powerhouse performers like the Intel NUC12 Pro Kit to budget-friendly options like the MSI QB5, there's a mini PC out there for every need and budget. Remember, the best mini PC for you ultimately depends on your specific requirements and how you plan to use it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Let us know in the comments which mini PC you're most excited about. See you in the next video.